Ingredient: corn, carrot, cucumber. The first step is to soak the vegetable in salt water. After that, rinse the vegetable with clean water. After rinsing, cut the carrots and cucumber into small pieces. After that, the carrot and corn are each boiled. After everything is boiled and cut, put it straight into the food box. Healthy food ready to eat.